G'day everyone, Ali here. I'm going to do a bit of another vintage page today, but through the week I actually got these stickers from AliExpress and they're really retro, vintagey stickers. So the gloss is on the back, so they will be a matte finish sticker, but I just wanted to show you these before I actually start my project, and I'm so glad that I got these. So I got a Vivian Lee, there's some quotes in here, and there's a really good selection of stickers, so really nice ones. So there's a few Vivian Lee ones in here, which I'm a little bit of a fan of Vivian Lee. I love Gone with the Wind, a great classic movie. So I've picked out some of these stickers which I'm going to use. So I'll link down below, or over on my website, sorry, the link where I got this from AliExpress, and it wasn't all that much. I think it was probably about $4 Australian. So it was quite cheap, and you get 60 deco stickers. So, and they're the stickers that you actually get in the pack. So really nice stickers. So I really loved this. So the stickers that I'm going to use today, I'm going to use two. I'm going to use Marilyn Munro. Okay, so that one there. And I'm going to use this one, New Season Fashion Blender. So I'm going to use these. I'm going to use some distress paints. I've only got two, but I'm going to use the Walnut Stain and the Vintage Photo, but I've also got an antique white in just a white acrylic that I'm going to use as well. I've got this die here, and this is a Craft die, the film die. I've got another AliExpress die that I had received, so I thought I might use this on the background with some stamps. So let's get started on this. So I hope you've enjoyed my process video for today. These stickers are absolutely awesome. I'm so glad that I actually got them, and I will put the link down below and over on my website as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And until next time, happy crafting. See ya!